Hello everyone, welcome to Tohi Tech. In today's unboxing video, we are going to unbox Samsung Galaxy Watch 7 Ultra. This is a Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra replica. So I bought this item from AliExpress. Price for this one is around £17. I will leave a link in this video description if anyone interested to buy this one. So let's open up the outer package first. I'm not using the knife, I'm just open up with the hand. So this says Z7 Ultra. So this is a Smartwatch 7. There's a few logos in there: Salat alarm, finger sensor, Qibla compass, and compass in there. And on the back, the full list of highlight feature: TP large palm function, screen, hot dial plug, call rejection, independent time, independent alarm clock, lock wallpaper, full star, encoder, zoom in and out, rebound function. So there's a lots of different options available in this watch. And let me tell you of some of the specification of this watch. So this watch have 1.3-inch high definition screen resolution of 360 by 360, and watch have a 300 milliamp battery capacity. This one use a Bluetooth version 5.3, and this one also have a heart rate sensor, blood sensor, and oxygen sensor. And this one also rated as a waterproof IP68 rating. You can connect this watch with Android or iOS devices using RDFit application, so which I already download into my phone. I'm using for this demonstration is Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. So I already downloaded the RDFit application in the phone, so which we are going to connect with the watch later on. And this watch also have normal basic smartwatch functions like compass, phone book, call history, dialing keypad, call setting, SOS, and some of the other smartwatch function, which is like smart island, screen of time, brightness adjustment, full function, do not disturb mode, Bluetooth switch on and off, brightness setting, reminder function. So let's open up the box. So this one have a sticker is a black, so I order with a black strap in there. So I think this one also have a black watch dial as well. So this is very simple package is there, and some of the instruction in there, and you can download the phone application. You just scanning this QR code. So this is the watch strap come with the watch. So I think would be the medium or the large, did not mention in there. And this one have a charging cable, so that would be like a meter long charging cable, so less than a meter long charging cable. So here is the watch itself. So this is a black dial here. On the left side of the watch there's a microphone hole and speaker hole, and on the right side there's a dial button, there's a microphone hole, and there's a one button with a yellow mark and the one is with a white mark. On the back, as you can see, there's some of the LED and the sensors in there, and says made in China. And this one also says on the back Watch Ultra and IMEI number, which is everything in 0. And this one says in there 47 mm. So if you press the white button, it will turn on. So is quite big dial in there, and is, as you can see, is beautiful color. And because it's of the round dial, so the watch faces look different as well. If you press the dial button in there, you can move up and down, and it's vibrating and everything in there. and there's quite a lot of application inside. For example, the phone, heat sensor in there, Facebook, calculator, temperature sensor, and settings in there, O2 sensor, game in there, weather update, fitness app, heart rate monitor in there. So first of all, I'm going to go in the setting and check some of the setting in there. So, and quite smooth actually, as you can see, is fluid in there. There's no like lagging in there. So go to the setting. So first option is Smart Island. This is already on, or you can turn it off if you like. Screen of time, brightness. Let's see, this is a full brightness, and this is the lowest one. You can go and put the brightness up. If you swipe backward, and there's a screen of time 30 seconds. I will leave it at it is just now. Key defines, you can define the key. If you press like one time, is go to the sport mode, or heart rate sensor, or sleep mode, call, or pedometer, or breath, or series. You can check different one in there. There gesture on and off option in there. So gesture control, you can enable control in there. When enabled, touch gesture can be used to control incoming calls or turn off the alarms. That's a good option in there. And there's a vibration intensity. You can turn it off, level 1, level 2, level 3. So there's a 3 levels. So I'm keeping at the level 2 at the moment. Do not disturb mode, you can use the passcode for that one. Languages, you can use any different language if you are living in different country and speaking different language. I will keep it on to the English. Power saving mode, if on, that will definitely save some battery in there. Time setting, so you can adjust the time and setting in here. You can connect this one with the phone. So I'm going to open up the application, and I'm going to connect this watch with this one. So this one says Z7 Ultra. I'm going to connect with my phone. While this one is syncing, I would like to use the strap. I will test it out, that one, how that look on my wrist. So I believe this is the way should be the. So this one is just like that. So give the option to pair. I'm going to pair the watch with this one. So as you can see, the watch is connected with this phone and shows the battery of 69%. I can use different option inside the application as well. For example, find my device. It will make the sound, and I can go to the notification prompt. I can use the different notification, turn on and off, cancel at the moment, drinking reminder, reminding mood, alarm, clock reminder, and then there's a heart rate monitor. You can test frequently or time to time. There's a firmware update in there. So this is already latest one in there. Weather, so it will show the weather as well. So by the way, the compass is working perfectly fine, as you can see on the watch. And let's see, there's different watch faces in there. So if you swipe rightward, you will see the activities, application, heart rate. So that shows you I have to wear the watch. So this is how that look on my wrist. So this is calculating the heart rate, which is 76, but I'm not sure. This is a cheap watch, so this one can give you the false reading in there. So because this is not the medical grade sensor in there, so be careful with that one. So let's go and check more of the option in there. So if you swipe more, you can see the weather temperature in there. Says 7 degree on my phone and 7 in the watch as well. and you can add more as well in there. For example, um, exercise or music face in there, or you can dial the sleeping or press to start for the breathing. If you swipe left to the right, you will see some different information. Downward, you have the Bluetooth connectivity, compass mode in there, and if you swipe the right to the left, you will see the vibration option, again the brightness option, and that is for the dialing. You have the mic option in there, setting option from here as well, heart rate, weather, power on off, music. If you swipe upward, you will go to the main menu again. So I'm going to check O2. This one calculating as 97%. Let's see the temperature of the body. This one saying 36.2 degree. That would be roughly accurate. There's a calculator in there. You can use the calculator, or you can use phone dial in there. It's quite big dial, you can easily use that one. Use a Facebook notification in there, and you can use an alarm clock in there. You can set it up the alarm. No contacts at the moment because I did not sync the contact in there. You can use a notification from X, previously called Twitter, and there's a health app in there: running, walking, badminton, football, tennis. There's quite a lot different one, climbing and skipping. And what is that one? That's again shows you the calorie burns and step count. Sleep application that will show you hours and the minutes. Gaming, this one have a Flappy Bird game in there. So this one give you the timing of the prayers, especially for the Muslim peoples. So we can check timing in there, but you have to update everything through your phone application to get accurate timing in there. This is for the breathe, inhale and exhale, and I will skip that one. So this is a Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra Replica. This is quite cheap smartwatch. You can order from AliExpress. Price is around £17. I will leave a link in description if anyone interested to buy. It is exactly the same size of the Galaxy Watch Ultra, and is feel heavy as well. So it's quite solid watch. You can use while you are shower or washing your hands. So this one have a IP68 rating. So this one do not have a AMOLED display, but this is a high definition IPS HD display. So it is quite bright and amazing. Let's go to the phone app and check some of the watch faces in there. So this one is all analog one. For example, I'm going to install that one. Some of them is free, some of them you have to pay to buy the watch face. So this one is transferring to the watch. I'm not sure how many dial at the moment, and once you can install into the watch. There's a lot of different one. Let's see the digital one. Digital one is mostly like with the pictures in there. There's a lot of different one there as well. So that's quite nice as well. And the third option, you can go to the customize. You can customize your own watch face in there. You can use a digital dial, pointer dial, or you can use a different color, and you can put the different option in the dial as well. So guys, this is my unboxing and reviewing testing video of Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra Replica Z7 Watch Ultra. This is quite good looking watch, lightweight, premium looking. You can buy this one and test it out yourself. I like this watch. Is mostly similar to the Galaxy Watch Ultra, and it is the cheaper version, only costs £17 from the AliExpress, and have lots of different functions and modes inside the watch. So please leave a like, leave your comments, stay tuned to my channel and subscribe and follow up, leave your comments, and see you in next video. Thanks for watching.